Need to use the OBS Virtual Camera on Discord? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open up OBS Studio on your laptop or PC. If you don't have this, you can install it. Now, you will find the option of Start Virtual Camera. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on it, now you want to open Discord. Then click on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now scroll down and find the option of voice and video. Right now it is set to voice. Go ahead and select the video section. Now you will find the option of camera. Go ahead and click on this drop down. Right now it is selected to integrated camera. Go ahead and select OBS Virtual Camera. Once that is done, click on the test video option, and now whatever your OBS is recording will be shown over here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.